In today's English learning story, join us on an exciting trip to an ostrich farm with Holly as your guide. Get ready to discover new words and test your understanding with 5 questions. Before we start, a quick favor, hit the subscribe button, like, and share. It only takes a second to help us create high-quality content. Thanks to those who've already done so. Now, are you ready? Let's go! Hi, I'm Holly, owner of this ostrich farm. 7 years ago, I was stuck in a 9-to-5 job in the city. It was okay, but far from my dream. That's when 3 ostriches, 2 girls, and 1 boy entered my life. Initially, I asked my dad to take care of them so I could go back to work in the city. But soon, my dad needed a hand taking care of them. So I made a big decision. I left my job and started raising ostriches. It had its challenges, but waking up early to feed everyone became a daily joy. Plus, I got to hang out with my dad at home. We have 2 types here, the blue-necked ostriches and the red-necked ostriches. It's been incredible to see our farm grow from just 3 of them to an impressive 300. About their diet, both the young and the adults have different nutritional needs, but the basics remain vegetables, corn, and shell flour. And did you know that ostrich eggs weigh about 1 to 2 kilograms? I love whipping up omelets with them. They taste similar to chicken eggs, but can generously serve 8 to 10 people per egg. For those interested in owning an ostrich, on average, an adult can cost between $2,000 to $10,000, with premium breeds reaching up to $20,000. If you're on a budget, you can bring home young ostriches, or chicks, for as little as $100 to $500. Oh, and our ostrich feathers aren't just for the farm, they find a new stage in theater shows. Now, I can give my family a good life and do what I love. You can even visit. Ride an ostrich, paint an egg, make a lamp. It's a blast. My dream started with a leap of faith. If you have a dream, go for it. See you at the farm someday.
Get ready for the quiz.
One.
What career did Holly work in the city? C. Not mentioned is correct. In the story, it only said Holly was stuck in a 9-to-5 job in the city. A 9-to-5 job refers to a standard full-time job with regular working hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is often used to describe a typical office job with fixed 8-hour workdays. That usually occurred during the traditional business hours from Monday to Friday. For example, I am working a 9-to-5 job as an accountant. Therefore, choice A is not correct.
2.
How many jobs did Holly have in the city? C. None of the above is correct. Holly talked about being stuck in a 9-to-5 job, which means she might have had only 1 job working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, none of the choices accurately tells us the number of jobs she had.
3.
What does Holly get to do at home with her dad? B. Spend time with him is correct. Because Holly mentioned, plus, I got to hang out with my dad at home. In this context, hang out means spending time together, usually doing relaxed and enjoyable activities. For example, I like to hang out with my friends at a restaurant. So, when Holly says that, she's expressing that she had the opportunity to spend quality and relaxed time with her dad.
4.
What are ostrich feathers used for? The answer is B. Costumes. Because Holly says that ostrich feathers are used in theater shows. And in theaters, feathers are often used for making costumes and decorating the stage.
5.
Where is Holly's original home? The answer is B. Countryside. Because Holly left her city job to raise ostriches. She now lives and works on the ostrich farm, enjoying waking up early to feed them. This suggests that her home is now in the countryside, away from the city. Word discovery. Initially means at first or in the beginning. For example, initially, he felt nervous about the new school, but soon he made friends and started enjoying his classes. Made a big decision means choosing or committing to a significant choice. For example, Lisa is making a big decision about her future career. Yesterday, Sarah made a big decision to move to a new city for a job opportunity. Nutritional refers to things that are related to providing nourishment, or food that is good for your health. For example, eating a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables is important for good nutritional health. When you buy packaged food, you'll most likely see nutritional information or nutrition facts on the packaging. This label provides details about the food's nutritional content, helping you make informed choices about your diet. Shell flour is like a powder made from crushed shells, usually from crabs or shrimp. People use it in farming or gardening because it has calcium. For example, the gardeners added shell flour to the soil to improve its calcium levels, promoting healthier plant growth. In the story, Molly gave ostriches shell flour in their food to make sure they get enough calcium. This helps their bones grow strong and keeps them healthy, especially the ones laying eggs. In the context of the story, whipping up refers to the process of quickly and skillfully beating or stirring the ostrich eggs to prepare delicious omelets. For example, John loves whipping up a tasty smoothie every morning for breakfast. Premium breeds refer to higher quality or superior varieties within a specific group of animals. For example, these premium breeds of chickens lay eggs with extra large yolks, perfect for baking. Premium breeds of sheep are raised for their superior wool quality. Faith is a strong belief or trust in something or someone, even in the absence of concrete evidence. For example, she had faith that her hard work would eventually lead to success.
That's truly an impressive story. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that ostriches are the birds that can't fly? Surprisingly, you can ride on them. If you want to learn more, watch these 2 videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you won't miss more fun English stories. See you in the next video!